Right angle trigonometry. Use a trigonometric function to find the value of x. So in this case, this exercise is a little bit different than the other, right? Here we have a right triangle, but we know only one side of my triangle, and we don't know this other one, and we also don't know this other one. We don't know two sides of my angle. But what else do we know about the triangle? We know an angle that is 60 degrees. So we have 60 degrees and we have one side. So here I have to identify which of the three trigonometric functions will be the best to find out the value of x. So remember, when you have your angle, you have to start from there. And what is the value that you have? You have the opposite side to the triangle, right? So that means that the opposite is equal to 30, right? That's what we know. But what else do we know? We know that the opposite over adjacent is what? Let's see. Tangent of an angle is opposite over adjacent, right? So what else? We know that sine of an angle is opposite over hypotenuse, right? And we know that cosine of an angle equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, so let's see which of these three is the best that we can use to solve this triangle. So remember that the hypotenuse of a triangle is always the opposite side to the 90 degrees angle. So therefore, the x should be the hypotenuse, right? And that leaves us that this other side will be the adjacent. So according to my exercise, what I need to find out is the hypotenuse. I don't care about the adjacent, so I can erase this one because I don't care about that side. They are asking about the hypotenuse. So which of these three trigonometric functions uses the opposite and the hypotenuse? Let's see. So I can use this one. I can use this one as the correct one, right? So I can say that this is the correct one, since here I have opposite, right? So the correct function would be sine of the angle opposite over hypotenuse. So that means that I will have, at the end, I will have sine of 60 degrees, because remember that I know the angle, sorry, this is 60 degrees, right? Sine of 60 degrees equals what? Equals opposite, that is 30, over the hypotenuse, that is the x that I don't know. So what I have to do now is to move the x that is dividing to multiply, and then the sign move it to divide. So I will have that the x equals 30 divided by sine of 60 degrees. So I can introduce that on my calculator. I will have 30. Remember that your calculator must be on gradients, on degrees, sorry, degrees mode, right? Be careful with that. So then you can divide it, 30 divided by sine of 60 degrees. That would give us equal to 20 square root of 3. That should be our final answer for this exercise.